Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Weedz Garage. I know it's been a while since we had a new video. Jeremy started a new job. His new job is working at night. He currently doesn't drive, so either myself or his mom takes him and then picks him up in the middle of the night, which just happens to be about 4 hours before I've got to go to work. So the work schedule's a little different and we're just getting used to it. This is the first week of it. We hope to have some sort of schedule by next week, but we're back with another vlog. And on this one, I'm working on getting this engine out of this Accord. It's time that we go ahead and get it out, get it stripped down so we can go ahead and see if this block is good. That way we can get started on this G23 Frankenstein build. Let's get into it. So one of the first things I'm going to be working on tonight is getting this motor mount off, and then I'm going to work on getting these hoses off. I'm going to see if I can get it disconnected from there. I don't know if we actually have a wrench that big, so that might be a problem. I'm going to get these hoses disconnected, and then I'm going to look at also working on these other motor mounts. And before I go too far, after I get this removed, I'm going to look at hooking the cherry picker up to it. Since I am the only one out here right now, I don't want to take a chance of loosening too many motor mounts and having it fall. So those are some precautions I'm going to take. I do not believe that I'm actually going to try and pull the engine until I get Jeremy's help out here, but I do want to have it hooked up and I want to get as close as I possibly can, even if it's just actually hanging from the cherry picker, if I can get that far. So one thing that I did just notice is we are going to need a new motor mount up here because this one is broke. So we're definitely going to need at least one new motor mount. Now I'm going to work on getting those hoses off. I've been having some troubles. We'll see if we can finally get them off. Okay, sorry, I got the heater going in the background, so I got one of the metal hoses off. This one is for the AC, so we're going to get this off too, but I don't have a wrench big enough. We're not going to install the AC back in it, I do not believe. So we are going to want to try and get this off. Obviously, it's going to make it easier to pull out, but the hose I was having troubles with, I got that off. I got this other hose where I've already got the clamp off, but I've had troubles before getting that off, so I'm going to go ahead and get that unhooked to there. And I want to see if there's any other little things that we're going to need to do. Now I might have to look, I want to see if I can actually pull this with the tranny on it, or if it's going to be best to pull the tranny and then pull the block. I'll have to check and see on that. I'm going to continue to get to work. So I've got this little hose here. I've got this little hose here. And then 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 I've got this lit This whole wiring harness clamp undone. There's just one, it looks like a sensor here I'm gonna have to unhook. There we go. Okay, we're probably gonna have to take this for the clutch off to get this out because it won't come out from under there. And I've got this to take off, this to take off, and this to take off. Is this just a plug? Yep, that's just a plug. Bam. That looks pretty nasty right there. This too looks, I don't know about that. That looks pretty dirty. Huh.